So this is for all of you who wanted to know what all you are going to learn in the basic foundational beginner level Theta Healing course. Theta Healing is a way of life, a technique that uses theta brainwave to bring light into your life by simple changes in your limited attitudes, behavioral pattern. A roadmap that connects to the right energy and listen that purest truth, the voice for best solution to move forward in life. So Theta Healing is all about taking control of life, educating yourself through experience and enlightenment. Learning about the brain waves, understanding beliefs, which part of the brain they are imprinted, and the source of it, and how you can change them at base level through simple action steps which really influence your future. You will learn how to manifest your deepest desire, know your DNA and how it affects us genetically. You also know briefly about the 7 planes of existence and how it correlates to a physical body. The 2 powerful roadmap meditations to the energy of the creator of all that is created by Stable. So what are you waiting for? Come join me this February, Theta Healing with Rachna Mehra. To know more, visit my website www.rachna-thetahealing.com.